Right.
Right, 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 right.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much
Hi
for joining.
everyone. Thank you so much for joining.
So let us go. Let us go. Let us go. Let us begin. Hi, Kama Group. Hi, how are you? Lovely to see you here again today. Lovely to see you again here today. We are back. We are back. Let us begin. Let us begin. Let us begin. Hello, David. How are you? Lovely to have you here today. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining in. So let us begin. Yes, thank you so much, guys. I missed you. It's been a while. I feel like it's been a long while ever since I had a good connection, but I've been revising everything. I tried to connect to new different platforms, like new different what is it called? Like everything change my system, my microphone, like everything I had to change. So adapting to it was really hard. Yeah, but now I think we are better. All right, so let us go. Guys, thank you so much. Someone from Ghana, thank you so much for joining in. David is asking, should we do the 100? Should we do the 100 challenge to what? What amount? How is it called? 10,000? Yes, I'm down for it. I'm down for it. I'm down for it. So let us go. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. To 10K. All right. To how much money is this? To 10,000K. Okay, to 10,000. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. We can do that. So let us go. Someone is asking the album, the music, I just set it to my system. Basically, it is not playing in my background, but I set it to my system. You know, we have this thing where we do not have to pay copyrighted. Do not have to play copyrighted. What is it called? Copyrighted music. So yeah, I just set it to my background. So yeah, that's it. Hi guys. Hi. Okay, David, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Hi everyone. Thank you guys for joining in. Thank you so much. Let us proceed. Those who are stuck here for some time, thank you so much. Thank you so much. My strategy is support and resistance. But most of the times, what I usually do, I do set to, I do set to what? I do, if I tell I'm trading a shorter time frame, I do follow the trend. Yes, that is what I do. I do follow the trend. But anyways, guys, let us go. Let us go. Let us go. It's been a while. It's been a while. How have you been doing? How has everyone been doing? Please tell me. I'm trying to set up things here so that we have a smooth ride. Guys, it has been long. Huh? It's been really, really long. Okay, so we are going to right, we're going to 100. Okay. So we are set. Let us set to 30. Is it 30? Okay. Let us set to 30. All right. So yes, let us move. Let us move. I'm just waiting for some time to. Okay. All right, guys. We're aiming at what? In K, we're going to be trading 100k. I mean, 10, 100, $100 until we make it. So, guys, thank you so much for joining. If you're so new here, please and please subscribe to the channel. Lovely, lovely to have you. Um, lovely, lovely to have you. Okay, guys. Lovely to have. Oh my God, that was not a good start to be honest. But let us just go. Let us just go. Let us just go. Guys, those who are new here, it's Brianna over here, and today we are doing gold OTC, not the usual oil. These days, I decided to change my indicators because I feel like I was so ready to my indicator. I was so ready to moving average that I failed to try out something else. Would have been encouraging me to try out different indicators, but I was so ready to one indicator. So and I was like, let me try other indicators and see how they work. So here we are. Okay, it was not a good start, but let's just stay hopeful and see how it works out. We're aiming for 10k. Someone challenged me to make 100 to 10k. So that is what I'm looking forward to. That is what I'm looking forward to. We have 2 hours to go. So let us keep pushing. Guys, those who are new here, it's Brianna. Feel free to come out to subscribe to the channel and stick around for some time. Yes, please. Hi, Samuel. Hi, Forex Moves. Hi, Mendes Clips. Hi, David. Lovely to have each and every one of you here. Guys, I missed you. It's been a while. I think the whole of this week it's been a mess, but now it's better. So let us keep positive. Let us keep moving, guys. Those who are new here, please and please subscribe to the channel. It's, it's okay. Let us. Sounds like Bollinger Bands is good. I'm trying. I'm going to try it out definitely because I've been so rigged until people have been advising me try other indicators are also as good. If I told you, I was like, no, I'm using trend indicators. So, but today I decided to change to this one. So let us see how it goes. Let us see. Hey, guys, like I said, feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. Feel free to ask anything. I am here. I am here. Yeah, regarding trade, anything about maybe the trading journey, anything you feel like you want to ask about, please and please feel free to ask. Let us go. Let us go. Okay, guys. Okay, let us move. Okay, so far not so bad. We've not yet had any profits yet, but let us see how it goes, guys. Let us see. So I'm going to do 30 minutes, 30 seconds for the first hour. Then the next hour I'm going to change it to 1 minute. So yeah. Yes, we're going to go back to our 1 minute trading. Guys, feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. Feel free to interact with me. Anything, and if somebody would want what? A personal conversation, you can inbox me on my Telegram. Lately, I've not been so active on Telegram because I've been having things here, going on here and there. But now I feel like I'm better. So yeah, now we can continue, we can talk and see how it goes. Guys, thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for subscribing. Those who have subscribed, I love you so much. I love the support. Yes, please. And like I said, basically for now, what we shall be doing is a little bit. Just because I'm still working on the platform of where we are going to be able to handle our money. And I've been wanting, I've been looking for someone to help me out. I asked a friend to help me out with the money, following up because money, things like that. So I'm still there. I'm still there. I'm still there. I am still there. So let us go. Let us go. Guys, feel free to drop me a flag. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you're watching from. Keep it fun. Tell me anything in the comment section. Hi guys, I'm waiting on you. Yes, please. Keep it fun. Keep it fun. All right. Let us move. Let us move, guys. We've not yet made any profits ever since we began, guys. Have you realized that we are around there? Up and down, up and down. But let us go. Let us move. Let us move. Guys, those one here, those are subscribe to the channel. Let's hit 2K in the coming few hours. Yes, let us keep moving. Someone's like, I didn't know gold is open during weekend. It depends what kind of gold are you trading. But for me, since I'm trading OTC, OTC is open 24/7. That's why I keep on saying that all that time I'm able to trade or every day, all the time. That's why every day, almost every day, I'm live because OTC is always open. It is always open 24/7. Does not have weekend, does not have anything. Yeah. Yes, please. So you can try it out. You can try trading OTC and see. What platform are you using? And guys, like I said, I'm using Pocket Options. Yeah, those who are asking me which platform I'm using, which broker it is. It is Pocket Option. Yes, please. So yes, go. And there is also another one for this Pocket Option, but it is very very advisable for beginners because I feel like it's a little bit simpler than Pocket Option. But the Pocket Option is also good. That's what I've been using in the longest time. So you can try it out. Oh, okay. It's all right. It is all right. It is okay.
Streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city. Over time, no streets never sleep, we rise through the grind. Lost in the night, but we still find our shine. Every scar, every tear, every climb made us kings in the city. Over time.
All right, let us go, guys. Let us go. Okay, our target is to hit 10K when we're trading. We've been trading from $100 to 10K. That is today's challenge. So I want to see someone is like it's OTC. Okay, okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Those one here, it's Brianna. All we do here is binary trade options. Hi, my so hi, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Hi, my smart boy. Hi, lovely to have you here. Keep on, guys. I love the positivity. I love the energy. Okay, at least now we have something. We have like 300 on us. It's a good thing. Eh? It's a good thing for now. Someone is like, I just subscribed. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi, Randy. Hi, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Hope you're having a good day, guys. How is the weekend? How is the weekend? You tell me how is the weekend on your side? Hmm? Hi, JK. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Hi, JK. How is your weekend? How is your day faring? Basically, today is better. Matter of fact, that even our life is moving on better. Today is better. Hi, Super Billionaire. Hi, how are you? Hi, Jones. Hi, Amos. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Hope you're having a good time. Guys, I'm asking about the weekend. How is the weekend driving? Where are we tonight? Because weekend is for partying, not cleaning or anything else that you've been having. At 5 to 7, I feel like weekend is for cleaning my home. No. Weekend you have to be outside, not inside. So where are we this weekend? Someone's like, it's great. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about the rain. Sorry about that. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep on joining in, guys. Appreciate you on YouTube. All right. For now, we're doing not so bad. We are at okay, we have a profit of like 300 for now, which is a good thing because we've been stuck around moving back and forth. But now we are kind of doing better. All right, let's move. Let's move. Yes, we are aiming at 10 today. That is our target. Yep, that is it. All right. Okay. Guys, like I said, feel free to ask me anything regarding trade, anything about the conversation. Feel free to ask me. I'm going to be able to reply to you. And those who would want to have a private conversation, message me on my Telegram. Yeah, lately I've not been so active on my Telegram. I've been back and forth with a little few things, but now I'm back. I think like now I'm kind of better. Yes, I'll be able to reply to each and every one of you. So feel free to text me on my Telegram. I'm going to be able to reply to you. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. All right. Those one new here, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget sticking around for some time. The notification button. That's anytime we are live, you're able to see me live. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we are moving on. But I don't like opening more than one trade by hour. Kind of ruins my rhythm. Thank you so much, Adeja. It kind of ruins my rhythm. Most of the times when I open more than one trade, I tend to lose a lot. I tend to lose a lot of money, to be honest. That's why I keep on opening one trade. I don't want over trading. Regardless that you want the money, I don't like over trading. Okay, hi Stanley. Hi, how are you? Lovely to see you here. Lovely, lovely to have you here. Okay, how to get my Telegram? My Telegram is what's it called? It's I did pin it in my. You can go there and find out. You can go there and find out. Yes, you can go there and find it out. There is Brianna Money. Okay, let us go. Let us go. Hi, sports cars. Hi, sporty cars. How are you? Lovely to have you here today. Thank you so much for joining. Someone is like strategy support and resistance, but most of that is only if I'm using a longer time frame. But for now, what I'm doing, I'm following the trend. Basically, yeah, I'm just following the trend. Yeah, I'm following the trend. Okay. Let us move, guys. Let us move. Let us move. Like I said, feel free to ask me any questions regarding trade, even on Telegram. Any questions regarding trade. All right. Feel free. Hi, okay, guys. Do tell me about the weekend. Where are we tonight? Where are we? Where are we tonight? Hmm? I'm only talking to those people who don't have work. Who don't have work on weekend because someone's like, I'm just straight from work. I want to go home and rest. Not like anything like weekend. I'm sorry about that. Those who are having fun somewhere, do tell how is your weekend? Oh, okay, it's all right. That's why I'm like, whenever I open more than one trade, I've realized whenever I open more than one trade, I happen to, it happened not to work out very well for me most of the times. That's why I open only one trade, only one. I don't like those things of over trading. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god. Okay, it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Hi guys. Those one here, guys, not forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around. Yes, hit the notification button. Anytime we are live, you are notified that we are live. Hi, Widdy. Hi, how are you? Hi, Praves. Hi, how are you? Lovely, lovely to have you here. Hi, Yanto. Yes. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel anytime we are live. You get to be notified that we are live. Like I said, guys, I'm always live each and every day. Unless otherwise, I don't know. Unless something is going on, maybe I'm sick or I'm having an exam. Since I'm a student, so I do have such kind of issues like I have exams, I have class, I have a test, things like that. can hinder me from being online. But other than that, we are okay. Hi, hi. Let me see here a little bit. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. Hi, Dulcie. Hi, how are you? Someone is like, why am I trading gold on a weekend? I'm doing gold on a weekend because Otis is always open, guys. It is always open, unless otherwise. All I know, Otis is always open 24/7. Unless there is something wrong, unless it is me, guys. How about those? How about those who are doing what? How about those guys? You guys who have tried to trade OTC. Do you have days where OTC is closed? Because I've not yet incurred a lot of that. Yeah, I've not. Sorry, it's open for me. I don't know about you guys. Someone is like, your trades they are not actually very accurate. But for me, like I said, whenever I'm trading, I don't put in a lot of knowledge. Like I don't apply all knowledge I have. What I do is I keep it simple. That's why I follow my indicators more. Like if at all I'm having an uptrend, I'm going to buy. And if at all I'm having a downtrend, I'm going to sell. That is it. I keep it very, very simple. I don't overdo it. Like I apply everything I've ever learned, like everything I've tried to check out. I keep it so simple with me. That is why I'm able to trade all the time. I mean, that's why but some, I don't know. It's not always 100% guaranteed that I'm going to incur a win, but yeah, it works for me sometimes. Well, also lose a lot. Yes, please. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for joining. Like, now we've been having a downtrend. That's why you've been seeing me selling all the time. I've been keeping on selling. And that is it. I don't like overdo it, over apply a lot of knowledge, a lot of stress in it. No, I let it go. Hi, Taru Jones. Hi, how are you? Hi, Spoken. How are you? The app name is called Pocket Options. You can go anywhere. You can go to my link. There is a link. There, you're going to go to my description. There is a link. There is a link there, and you can try to go create an account and begin with as less as you can. As less as you can. You can even begin with $5. Yeah, on Pocket Options. I don't know about other platforms, but on Pocket Options, it's like that. Uh, yes. Thank you. Okay, okay, Pravish. Thank you so much. App is called Pocket Options. Yes, Pocket Options. You can go to my description. There is a link. And also another thing you can do, you can do anything you use, Google, what, Safari, anything. I just type in Pocket Options. It will come. Yeah. Just go create an account and deposit as less as you can and begin. Easy peasy. And I feel like option is one of the most easy trades to understand. No matter how easy it is, very easy to understand. Because you're seeing me selling because I'm having a downtrend. I've been having it for the past 3 minutes, I think. Yeah, for the past 3 minutes. That's why you're seeing me doing what? That's why you're seeing me only and only what? Trading. I mean selling. Yeah, I've been having it. Someone is also trading there. Maybe you can make your time from less and also sell. Some is like pocket options. Yes, pocket options. Pocket options. Right, let us go. Let's add. Okay, guys, it's now we've made it to one K profit, which is a good thing. We are aiming at 10K. I'm going to reply to your question. Let me see how this one goes. All right, it's been building up for some time. Let me see this question. Um, Someone is like, is there any possibility I could have a personal conversation? Yes, please. We can have a personal conversation on my Telegram. You can inbox me on my Telegram. The link is The link is in the description to my Telegram account, my Telegram channel. You can just send me a message. Someone is like, I thought markets are closed. Markets are closed, but not OTC. OTC is open 24/7. I've been saying that for the longest time. OTC is open for 20, like 24/7. Yeah, you can trade any time of the day, weekend, what. For it is always open. To be honest, hi Bozoid. I'm sorry about that. Let me check. Let me check here. Let me check. Let me check a minute. Some is. I'm trying to zoom out a little bit. Hi Boz. Was it? Hi, how are you? Hi Keng Keng. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. All right, let us go. So we are at 2K. We are at 2K. We are aiming for 8K. We're aiming to add more 8K to this. So someone challenged me. It was David who was like, "Can you make it? Can you make 100 to 10K?" I think now we are moving. We are moving. Guys, feel free to drop me a flag and tell me where you're watching me from. Where you guys watching me from? How is your those who have been trading? How is that? Most of those people who are trading options. Yes, those people who are trading options. Can you please and please tell me, tell me.
Born with the sirens harmonized with ambition. Mama praying hard, I was lost in the friction. Dreams on a clothesline, poverty, addiction, life in 4K, no filter, pure conviction. I was raised on the corners
All
where the
right,
world didn't
let us
understand
move,
money,
guys.
mercy quicker than
And
Google.
someone is like, can you
Been
explain?
through hell
Okay,
before
guys,
passing
like I
through
said,
pain.
for me, I do
Walk
not
the path
complicate
slow with
things.
that brown
What I
cane.
do is always I
Without
take
rules, lives like scripture.
I
Survival
do follow that
conversations, every
trend.
lyric a
Okay,
confession. Every
I do
verse
follow that trend. That's why most of the
dagger to
times,
fate, play chess with
whenever
resistance. Turned the
I'm
pain
having
and made my own
sideways,
exhibition.
I do not trade. Like I always wait for the market. I do not trade most of the times because since I follow that trend, when I'm whenever I'm having a sideways, it's really complicated for me to know what to do. That's why I always wait for the market. So me, I follow that trend. Whenever I'm having an uptrend, my indicators will show me that now you're having an uptrend. I always buy. Whenever the market is going down, I always sell. So now you can see here, you can now see here that it's a sideways. Indicators are trying to show you. That is where I'm not selling. It would have worked for me if I'm using a very less trading time, maybe like my expiration time maybe is like 5 seconds. That is very dangerous. You know that very risky to use it. That's where the sideways gets easier. But if at all it's not that, then I'll wait for the market. And if you see me trading when it's a sideways, just know I'm just trying my luck. That is it. I'm trying my luck. And it works for me if at all I'm using very expiration times, which is not a thing I already. Someone is like, someone is like, does trading live on screen because actually I think when I was not trading live, those people who have been here like in the beginning with me because we just done live trading, I think can see the difference. At the start, I was so how can I say? I was so tense. Like I now have this pressure that I'm live and I'm going to be trading live. Now, if I keep on losing, what will happen? Things like that. I used to panic a lot, and I used to lose a lot. That's why here we used to struggle because we used to set up like maybe we aim at 10K and we get stuck around 5K for almost 1 hour and a half because I was always very tense. But then I think with time I've gained confidence about it. Yeah, one thing I don't do for me is over trading, even though we are live here because our live is always hours. And I plan on, let me say, I'm going to maybe deposit 1K because I always begin with 1K. I'm going to deposit like 1K on my account and then I blow it out. The main things where I used to blow my money out. But while I blow it out, I'm going to add another 1,000. If I blow that one out, we are done for the day. Maybe that's the only thing I used to do. But I feel like trading things. I'm not so much scared like I was before to trade. To be honest, before I was so scared, very tense. But now I feel like it's getting better and I'm getting more confident than before. My Telegram channel is in my description. Someone is saying hi, but I cannot read Arabic. But hi, how are you? Hi, Pius, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Pius from Nigeria. Shout out to Nigeria. I said I'm moving to Nigeria very soon. I have a lot of supporters. I'm like, I am soon moving to Nigeria. Yes, because of the food. Okay, let me see. Let see. A minute. Okay. Hi, Andrew. Why? Someone's like, why do I change indicators? Andre is asking. Because I feel like I want to try out other indicators. I know people are used to seeing me using moving average, what and what. Moving average is most under super trend. That's what I've been using. But I was like, people have been telling me, like my friends who trade, they've been like, you can try out other indicators. They're also good. You can try out and see how it does for you. That's why, guys, I keep on changing my indicators. I'm just trying everything out until I feel like now this is the best one. Before I was rigged to one indicator, I was only using moving average, period, nothing more. Then I was like, even I was only trading oil, moving averages and oil. That is what I was stuck to. But then I feel like, why not explore other indicators and see? Hi, Kevin. Hi, Alfonso. Alfonso is like, gold on a weekend. Yes, please, gold on a weekend. Gold on a weekend is very possible. If you're doing OTC, it is very, very possible for you to trade on a weekend. Yes, you can try it out and you can check it out and see. It is very, very possible. Guys, those familiar, please and please subscribe to the channel. Okay. I want us to reach in the next 6 minutes. Stay. Though we still have some time. We still have some time. That is a good one. No, it's not a lot of. There is a time where I'm like, better. I feel like my losses have decreased because before I used to make like losses like 70% of the life. Now I do 50-50. If it is a good day, I do 50-50. Yeah. All right, let us move, guys. Let us move. We are almost 3K, which is a good thing. We are almost 3K. We are almost 3K. We still have 7K to go. We still have 7K to go. Oh my God. All right. Let me try to. Sorry about that, guys. All right. Mm. Hi, Mr. Apex. Hi. Someone's like, how do you know it is an uptrend? I feel like it is easy. Okay, I'm sorry for saying I feel like it is easy, but an uptrend is when the market is moving upwards. Yeah, when it is moving upwards, that is an uptrend. You'll see a steep slope in the positive direction. That is an uptrend. And my indicators, you see this a steep slope, see them facing having a steep slope. And if you see it facing down, if you see it moving towards the negative side, it's a downtrend. Yes. Hi, Sierra fan base. Hi, Kajata. I don't know how to spell it. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Okay, I'm going to show them to you. Hi everyone. Thank you so much. Someone is like going all. Don't you? Hi Harsh. Hi pet lovers. How are you? I just someone is asking about that trend. I just follow about that strategy. I follow that trend. That is if at all I'm using a shorter time frame. I just follow that trend. Someone wants to see my setup. Yeah. All right. Yes, the app is called Pocket Options. Yes, that is the app. It's called Pocket Options. You can check it out. You can check it out. You can check it out. Yes, someone is talking about strategy. If at all I'm having a shorter time frame, like right now, all I do is follow that trend. That's why I've been seeing me buying in the last 30 seconds. And now I'm going to try to trade because I see my market is trying to come down. Yeah, that is it. I only follow that trend, which is not 100% correct, but it does work for me. Yeah, I don't complicate things. Like I said, for me, I don't complicate things. It kind of does work for me. It's not 100%, but works. Yeah, to be honest, it works. It works. Okay. Someone is why did you take a sell? It was moving downwards. So I expected it to, I didn't expect it to bounce back up. I not expect it to bounce back up. That's why I did sell. But see, here you saw, that's why I did sell, but it bounced back up because we don't had a lot of support levels at this point. It's been having an uptrend. That's why I did sell, but did otherwise. Like I said, it's not 100% correct. It is not, but it works. Also here I sold because I didn't expect it to bounce back up, but I think now we are back again. That is it. That is it. So let us go. Guys, feel free to send me a hi. Feel free to drop me and tell me where you're watching from. People from India, people from Nigeria, wherever you're watching me from, guys. I'd love to see you here. I would love to see you. And you tell me about your plans on weekend. Where are we tonight? Where are we tonight? Are we home? What I have to see from the indicator. The indicator shows you. It only shows you the trend. I'll explain more until I'm having now, like you're having a sideways, you'll see it not very clear. But if at all we're having a very visible downtrend, you'll be able to understand everything by just looking at it. Yeah, you'll be able to understand it. But for now, it's gonna be a bit confusing because you're not having a proper trend. Now, like right now, it's a downtrend. You can see it moving down. Eh? So you also see the indicator, the slopes, you see them also facing downwards. You see them moving towards the negative direction. You see that? Okay. All right, let us move. Let us move. Hi, Daily. Someone from Pakistan. Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Let me try to zoom out a little bit and see how it goes. Okay, we are 3K now, guys. 7K to go. 7K to go. Hi. Okay. Hi, Owen. How are you? Hi, Daily. How are you? Hi, Mark. How are you? Lovely to have you here today. Lovely, lovely to have you here today. So let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Hi, Daniel. Hi. Thank you guys for joining in. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Okay, now we are 3,000. I just hope we don't move backwards because there is a time where we almost move backwards. We're always back and forth. We're always back and forth, but let me just upwards. We keep on moving forward. Our aim today is to reach 10K. So, yeah, that is it. Hi, Global Scholarship. Hi, how are you? Lovely, lovely to have you. Now, someone's like, how much is your profit now? My profit now is 2K. Yeah, we're still at 2K. We began with 1,000, so we're just here at 2K. Hi, Danny, how are you? Oh, no, sorry, though. Someone from Nigeria, lovely to have you here. How is your weekend? How is your day? Lovely to have you here. Lovely, lovely. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, those who are new. Someone from Ghana, that is a daily story. Lovely to have you, Nigerians. Hi, Rosie. Hi, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Thank you so much for joining in. Yes, thank you so much for joining in. It's a good day. It's a good and it's a weekend. So, what do you think about that? What do you think about that? All right, we are proceeding. We are proceeding. We still have our time. We still have almost like an hour to go. So, let us see if we hit the money we want. It's now a downtrend. It's a clear downtrend. Someone was asking about how the trend is moving. It's a clear one. Okay, it's kind of like upward. Okay, we shall see about it. We shall see about it. We shall see about it. Yeah, actually, you're so right. Let's go. Let us go. Hi, Alliance. Hi, Alliance. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let us go. Okay, we are doing good for now. We are doing good for now. Guys, do you think we shall be able to hit our target today? Someone from Nigeria. Lovely to have you, Nigerians here. Lovely, lovely to have you. I think this is the greatest support I have here, the Nigerians. But guys, otherwise, all of you are so precious to me. I love you so much. Hi, Tiger. Someone is like, hi, Tiger. How are you? Lovely to have you here. When do you do your live trades? So it depends. But all you have to know, I always do my live trades each and every day, just 57 minutes earlier from now. So wherever you're watching me from, just 57 minutes from now. That is it. That is it. Someone is like, did you know? Actually, can I surprise you? I don't know if you know a lot about forex. I know very very little knowledge because actually I know only the knowledge that forex and binary having common, but I will not lie. I don't know so much about forex because I've not yet been so exposed to forex. That is the reason. That is the reason why I've not been so exposed to forex. So I only know binary because I was exposed to binary options. That is it. That is it. That is it. Yeah, so I don't know so much about food. I will just be honest with you. Oh no, why did I sell? Okay, it was a mistake. But let us move with it. Someone's like this, and maybe you're wondering why I'm trading. So now, I'm trading oil on a weekend. I'm trading gold on a weekend. Someone's like, it's stuff. Oh, this is a weekend. How are you trading? No. It is open. I don't know so much about. Yeah, I did not have a lot of hope in that because I did sell on a very, very, very wrong time. I was not supposed to sell, but I did sell. That is why I don't have a lot of it's. I'll look into forex because I've seen a lot of guys. What do you feel is easier? Do you feel like options is easier or forex is easy? Like which is more profitable to you? Like which one do you feel like I cannot do this, but this one I can do it? Is it options or is it forex? Which one is easier? Okay, let us move. Let us move. Let me see. Let me see. Hi, City. Oh, hi, Civility. Hi, how are you? I'm not using a currency. Oh, you ask, yeah, okay, I understand what you mean. It is USDT. USD. Yes. I hope that's what you ask. That's what you mean. Yeah, I hope that's what. People keep on asking me, why do you keep on selling commodities? Like, why do you keep on trading commodities? Why don't you trade um currency? Because I feel like when it comes to currency, currency is not easy to predict. I feel like commodities are easier to predict than currencies. What do you think, guys? What do you think about that? Yep. Okay. Let us move. Let us move. Someone's like, what's the Bollinger Band settings? I'm going to show you. Here they are. Yes, there they are. Hope I answered your question. Well, girl, like I said, if at all you want to say anything about my setup, feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me anything. I'll be there to reply to you. Like, we are not yet halfway our live trade. Let me increase this money to something like 300 because we are lagging so much behind. Okay. Okay, guys. One thing I also wanted to ask: can you tell me, um, how much on your amount on your capital do you always trade? Can you tell me about that? How much do you always trade? Someone is asking about someone is can you which platform? Platform is called Pocket Options. That is a good one. Someone's like, why do I use different indicators? Like guys, they say it is a variety there. There are variety indicators out there. So I feel like it's okay for me to try to change and see here and there. There are varieties, a lots of many there. So yeah, someone's like, so how much is it on your platform now? What do you mean? You want to see my Instagram? What do you have on the platform? Okay. Someone's like 110. I don't understand. Yo, someone's like, is it IQ option? It's pockets option. Yeah, it is pockets options. I feel like it's called expert option. I feel like this one it's kind of better. It's kind of better than the other. Hi everyone, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Those one you here, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Yes. Right. It's alright. So here is my problem. Whenever I'm having a side, it's always a problem with trading. Um, it's always a problem. It's always a problem.
a lesson. Every win a test. Trust earned slow. Loyalty expressed. Concrete force the king manifested and blessed. Enemies plot. But I move like a ghost. Silence is my armor. My words cost the most. Block raised me tough. Pain made my boast. Concrete streets whisper every line's my tough.
Hi everyone. Hi Luciano. Hi Mr. Beanie. Hi Francine. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much. Hi Lozari. Thank you so much for joining in. Lovely to have you. We're at 4K. It's a good way to go. We're still going. We are still going. We are still going.
Now I look down from rooftops at the skyline. Fortune close, but roots of struggle intertwine. Money don't erase, nice to chill the spine. Every bar I spit, every line divine. Yeah, pour a little liquor for the lost and gone. Every triumph on at nights I pressed on. Crown feels heavy, still I move strong. Concrete kings rise, legacy lives long. Hustling hard, the code I live by. Dreams in the city where weakness say goodbye. Every block a teach, every night a sigh. Brick a soul whisper, kings never die. Yeah, the streets speak, the shadows watch. Every corner, every struggle shapes the king in you. Brick and soul, we rise, we grind, we live. Yeah. Yeah. Concrete streets whisper your name. Every corner got a story, every shadow got a claim. You survive, you grind, you rise. This is for the kings of the city. Born in the trenches where the street lights flicker. Life moves slow, every day a heavy ticker. Mama prayed hard, but the nights got thicker. Lessons in the cracks, pain made me quicker. Cash scares, loyalty thin like
Someone is like, yes, pocket option is very okay actually.
sirens lullaby, dreams in my head. Turn every scar into a
To be honest, I feel like for me, one of most of the options platform pocket option is a good broker. And some people actually people be asking me, are you like paid? Are you endorsed to keep on advertising for the platform? No, I'm not. Surprisingly, I'm not. But the reason as to why I put it there because a lot of people had to ask me. Yeah, a lot of people had to ask me. So yeah, that is it. Alright. Someone's like, can you briefly explain how you're using the Bollinger? All right, a little. I mean, it's just a minute.
loyalty express. Concrete forged the king manifested. Bless enemies plot, but I glide like a ghost. Silence is my armor, my words cost the most. Block raised me tough, pain made
Just
my
a minute.
boast. Concrete streets whisper every bar's my toast. Concrete kings, we rise from the street. Walk through the fire, never face defeat. Every scar, every story with me made us rulers of the city, undefeated beat. Yeah. 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 Look down from rooftops, skyline in my eyes. Fortune closed, but struggle never lies. Money can't erase the nights I survive. Every rhyme I spit, every bar alive. Pour some liquor for the lost and gone. Every triumph haunted, nights I pressed on. Crown feels heavy, still I move strong. Concrete kings rise, legacy lives long. Hustling hard, code I live by. Dreams in a city where weak men die. Every block a teacher, every night a sigh. Concrete kings whisper, we never die. Yeah, the streets talk, the shadows watch. Every corner, every struggle shapes the king in you. Concrete king. We rise, we grind, we live. Concrete jungles whisper your name. Every corner tell a story, every shadow got a claim. You survive, you grind, you rise. This is for the kings and queens of the streets. Grew up in the blocks where the cold wind bite. Mama praying late nights trying to keep it right. Daddy absent streets raised me with the fight. Concrete lessons taught me how to grip the mic. Cash thin, loyalty thinner than a thread. Friends turn foes, envy in their heads. Sirens singing lullabies, dreams overfed. Turned every scar to bars, now my rhymes spread. Hustle in my veins, patience in my soul. Every move calculated, every goal my road. Block taught me truth, struggle made me whole. From shadows to the booth, now I'm on a road. Streets remember, we rise through the night. Walk through the struggle, chasing the light. Every scar, every story we write. Made us rulers in the city, taking flight. Streets remember, we rise through the night. Walk through the struggle, chasing the light. Every scar, every story we write. Made us rulers in the city, taking flight. Rome Avenue's echoing past regrets. Graffiti walls whisper, every corner sets. Some made it out, some shadows never left. Every step deliberate, every line's heft. Cold nights, warm dreams, rhythm in my chest. Every loss a lesson, every win a test. Trust earned slow, loyalty expressed. Concrete forged the king, manifested and blessed. Enemies plotting, but I move like a ghost. Silence is my armor, my words cost the most. Block raised me strong, pain made my boast. Concrete streets whisper, every line's my toast. Streets remember, pass through the night. Walk through the struggle, chasing the light. Every scar, every story we write. Made us rulers in the city, taking flight. Now I look down from rooftops, skyline in my eyes. Fortune close, but struggle never lies. Money don't erase nights that chill my spine. Every rhyme I spit, every bar's mine.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys. I'm sorry about that. I've been talking, but my mic was off. Like I was just explaining, so with the Bollinger one, it's one of the indicators that have both momentum and trend indicators. So which I could say it has these two lines, the lower and upper one. The upper lines are more of what is it called? Are more of deviation lines. And the middle one is more of moving average. And if you know moving average is one of the trend indicators. You know that, eh? Okay. So basically, that is it. Unless you want me to explain how every, how everything works. So basically, what I do most is I follow the middle one because it's one of, and like I said, for me, all I do is follow. What's it called? Is follow the trend. So that's why before you used to see me using moving averages. But if you look at it closely here, we have the moving average one in the middle. So the middle line is always the moving average. So that's how I always follow the trend. I do not complicate things. I'm not going into details that when the price is near the upper band, there's potentially an overbought. When it's near the lower band, there is an oversold, interband squeeze, low volatility. I don't think I can go. I don't read so much into it. I don't read so much into it. I just follow the trend. That is it. Unless maybe if at all I'm trading a lot of money, maybe with my friends, we're trading a lot of money. Using time. That's why I go so much into details when it comes to trading and all that, all the volatility, all the bad things as well. But other than that, I just use the middle line and follow the trend. Basically, that's not so much, not so much into it. Okay, hi everyone. Hi David. Hi Kevin. Hi Simon. Hi Masurian. Hi, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. So let us proceed. Page 7. Is it because I increased the money? Why are we moving so faster than usual? Anyways, okay. Someone is like explain the entries. For the entries, you see, like I said, for me, I follow the entry. If I tell my indicator, like that's why if I tell my indicator shows me that someone my market system words I'm going to buy. If I tell you to cut down the entry, now you're going to sell. And then how I do it, which I know places 100% correct, which one works for me 100%, but it works for me. But it may look says and a lot of compassion, but it works for me. I do not use a lot of knowledge, a lot of everything I've learned to it. No, I don't. Yeah, someone's like, and the market today, no, they are not closed. They are not closed. You see, I'm trading OTC markets. Other markets might be closed, but since I'm trading OTC, yeah, that is why. Okay. Thank you so much. Someone's like, I wish you big profits. Thank you so much. I take that. I take it. Thank you so much. I also wish myself big profits, and I also wish you big profits. If I told you a trader, I just wish you big profits for yourself so that you cash a lot of money, a lot of money. So that is very profitable for you. Guys, those when you're here, don't forget subscribe to the channel. I love you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing, for joining, for sticking around, being with me. Yeah, someone is like, are you using a script? Like, what kind of script can you use? Even though I'm using a script, do you think my script can it be can like is able to like do you think my script can be able to predict what's going to happen for like full next hour for me to place a trade? Of course, I'm not using a script. I'm not, and if I tell I was using a script, I would be cashing in so much. That's why you see me losing, getting by mistake, the things like that. I do not use a script. If I was using a script, I would be so rich. Anyway, let us proceed. Hi, Mayan. Hi, hi, everyone. Sometimes I cannot trade because of language barrier. Hi, Green. Hi, Hawaii. Hi, Matsu. And hi, Hawaii. Hi, Samuel. Lovely to have each and every one of you here. So let us go. Let us go. Okay. Someone's like pocket broker, pocket options. Yes, pocket options. That is it. And if at all you want to use the same link, I mean to use the same platform like I have, just go to my description. I did put a link or anywhere. Anywhere you want, Google, whatever, you can just get it there. It's easy to find, it's easy to connect to. And like I said, guys, those who have been, because I've seen people saying, I lose a lot of money. What? I feel like you don't have to lose a lot of money. Last time I saw someone who was saying they were trading $10 and then they have made like 500, which I feel like that is very right. For me to be honest, I began with five. My account was five, but I blew it. Then I went to five again. I made up to like 20. Then my 20 because I was there for security. Withdrew the 15 and things like that. That's how I began. So that was some time back. There is a time where I blew all of it, regardless of everything. I blew all the money I had. I think I had made like 10K, but then I became so greedy. I think I blew like half of it, something like that. Oh no, back to it again. Back to it again. I hate it when I'm stuck somewhere. Like when until I reach like half of my target and get stuck. And I have to keep on being back and forth, waiting. Now, like here, we've been stuck at 7K and 6K. We've reached 7K and go back to 6K, things like that. I don't like that process, but I think I will do see it each and every day. Lose, win, things like that. Let us proceed. Let us go. Let us move. Guys, like I said, yes, feel free to tell me anything, subscribe to the channel, and also ask me anything, interact with me. Maybe for private interaction, we can go to the comment section. Yeah, I mean, we can go to my Telegram and see. Okay, we are good now. We're aiming for 10K. So let us see how it goes. Let us see how it goes.
Brooklyn nights, concrete lights, stories written in the smoke, you feel me? This one's for the hustlers, dreamers, believers, the corners that raise
Hi
me.
Sonia, hi Master.
Let's
Someone
go.
is asking like, do I teach?
Yeah, born with a
I could
soul
not
to
say
sing,
that
colors
I do have
burst.
like
Grind hard,
lessons
working
after
over
that
certain
live that
things,
I
written
go
in the
out
spine.
there and
Scripted
teach. No,
rhymes
I
between
don't.
12 lines.
But all I
Still
can
trying
say
to
is you
find a
can
sound where the
text me on
platinum
Telegram.
rhyme.
You can
Storefronts gleam,
text
flames deeper than abyss. Kids playing dice, praying life don't end like this. Every flick of the wrist could twist faceless. But we chase dreams, heavy pockets, empty wish. Had the bubble goose jacket, Timberlands unlaced. Coppers on the chase, we vanished without a trace. From stoop talks to gun sparks to dark embrace. Still I kept my faith where the devil misplaced. All these streets keep calling my name, trying to pull me back in the rain. I rise, I fall, I fight through pain. Still I'm standing, still I'm staying. All these streets keep calling my name, trying to pull me back in the rain. I rise, I fall, I fight through pain. Still I'm standing. Now the paper stacking slow, but the wisdom grow fast. Used to
okay,
count
let us
change, now
proceed.
changing my past through the
Let
glass.
us move. Let us move.
My class, survivor of the cycle. Now I'm built
Someone's
to
like, I like
last.
this session. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Today we are moving on good, by the way. Yes, I've had a lot of losses, but I think today is doing well. Today is doing well when it comes to. There are times where I feel like the market is so much against me that I happen to lose like 70% of the session. But today, I think we are doing great. Someone is asking about my settings. Here they are. All right, let us go. Someone is like, I don't understand. What don't you understand? I don't know. I don't understand.
Now sit in the bands, city lights in the lens. Past ghosts in my mind, trying to make amends. But the ends never justify the means, my friends. Still we play that game, no pretend. Life's a chessboard, pawns move
What
unless
don't you
one wins.
understand?
We too,
Please feel
sweating
free to ask.
bulletproof dress. I could
Here is
fall
where I have a
fast,
lot
but
of
never
problems. When
break
it
bread.
comes to sideways,
But
I don't
every
know
breath
really
I
what
take,
to
I
do.
live impressed.
I don't know what
Fate
I
moves
feel
in a
like.
way,
I,
rhythm
not that I don't know what
dictates.
to do,
Ink
but
bleeds truth
it's
through
kind of
vision.
puts me
Paper
in
on
a
paper,
position
my
where I'll
name
be
left.
like,
Say one thing, big
now
heart, big dreams.
I'm
Many
going to
life
lose
streams.
something. I'm going to lose some money. That's why whenever we're having a sideways, you see me trying
Everybody
to
still fighting the nights.
maybe lay back a bit and not trade a lot.
Don't stop.
Yeah, because I do have a problem when it comes to a sideways. I really do.
Born, they carve from the block.
Since I follow that trend so much, whenever I'm having a sideways, it's kind of hard. Someone is like, I can trade at the same time with me. Before actually, I always thought that we can trade at the same time, but I realized we cannot trade at the same time because yes, whenever I look at my chart and your chart are always the same. But the problem is by the time my chart is broadcasted to you on YouTube, YouTube delays it for kind of like 30 seconds. So what's the problem? It delays it so yeah, for like 10 seconds. Depends where you're watching from. So that's the problem. That's why people complain. My chat and yours are like different. That's the problem. Hi, Brain Lag. How are you? Lovely to see you here. Lovely, lovely to have each and every one of you guys here. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to stick around for some time. Yes. Okay. Let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Let us guys don't forget subscribe to the channel and we hit that 2K we are aiming at. We are aiming at in a few hours, okay? Someone's like, are you trading on a phone or a computer? I'm actually trading on a computer. You're going to ask like why does your platform look like that of the phone? Because now we have that pocket like pocket also gives you that phone that you can use on your PC, but it reflects as the one for the phone. I could trade on phone and be able to like do everything at once since I'm using one PC, so that's the problem. Okay, let us go. All right, let us move. Someone is asking. Let me try to zoom out a little bit so that I see. Um, someone is like, do I speak French? No, I do not speak French. I do not speak French. I speak English. I can only greet you in French. That's the only thing I can do with French. Only greetings. That is all. Nothing more to it. Only and only greetings. Yeah. Okay, let us move. Let us move. Someone's like, are you profitable? Yes, actually, I'm profitable. I've been profitable for some time. I've been profitable for like 9 months now. Though I've been trading for some time, but I feel like to really have some good money and keep being able to trade and keep some money on me. It's been like it's been like 9 months. It hasn't been so long ago. Not really. It has taken me time. I feel like just because I don't know. It has taken me time to it has taken me over like 3 years to begin being profitable. Someone is like trading platform. I pocket options and you can find the link to the platform in my description. Yes, let me see this let me just place that right here. Guys, we are now 70. Okay, three K to go. That's a good thing. That's a good one. Explain the strategy and the okay. For me, my strategy, like I said, I only follow a trend. Unless I'm doing something very big, like I'm trading money, a lot of money, or I'm challenged by maybe we are challenging friends, like things like that. For me, I just either I just follow a trend. Okay, hi Sonia, hi Sugar, hi Aina, hi Shag, hi Cleven, hi LeBron, lovely to have you. Hi Samuel, hi Shira. Someone's like, have you? Yes, actually, I've made. If it's being profitable, I've made 100. I've made 100K. I've really made 100K ever since I began trading. Ever since I began being profitable. Yes, I've not gone so much. I've not yet gone beyond like 600, but I think I've made 100. To be honest, yeah, I have. Yes, please. Someone's like how to fix the 30 minutes. You want me to show you how to fix the 30 minutes? The broker is called Pockets Options. About the time frame is 5 seconds. That's why you see my candles burn out very fast. People will be like, your candles burn out very fast. Yes, it's a 5 second one. Someone's like, how do you follow that trend when you're only seeing 5 second candle? How do you mean? And darling, I've any kind of trade. There is nothing like they don't have that trend. I mean, any kind. But no matter what time frame you have, so like I cannot use support and resistance because you have in a lower. How is it a lower time frame? Any any frame does have any time frame. Your strategy applies to any time frame. My 5 seconds will my strategy support and resistance will apply to the 5 seconds. My trend will also apply to the strategy. Anything. I don't know what you're talking about. Unless I'm wrong. That's all I know. Any time frame. Use what you can apply to it. Hello, how are you? Thank you so much for joining in. Someone is, do you have Telegram? Yes, I have Telegram, please. I do have Telegram. I have Telegram. I have Telegram. You can check my description and see. Okay, you can check my Telegram and see. Someone asking about my Telegram is in the description. You can try it out and inbox me. I'll be able to reply to you. Hi, Donny. How are you? So much. Like someone from California. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Love you so much. Someone's asking about my It's My Time. It's easy. Just go here. There are a lot of choices. You can set yours here or you can choose something fixed here. Yeah, that is how you do it. My expiration time is 30 seconds. Okay, let us go. Let us move. Let us move. We are almost there. 30 minutes to go, but we still have some time to go. So we keep it positive. So asking about my Telegram, guys, just go to the description. You're going to find it there. Someone's like their interface is different. I yes, I think I've been explaining that it's only different. We have the same test, but it's only different because YouTube kind of takes some time. Like it delays the chat for like 30 seconds. Yep. Okay. I don't know what you meant by that, but I hope that's the question. That's what you were asking about. Eh? That's what you're asking about. All right. Okay, that's a good one. Nice. Why did I lie here? It's all right. I think I made a mistake here. It's okay. Someone's like, what's my time? So my expiration time is 30 seconds. Actually, I had promised when you reach half hour, I'm going to change to 1 minute, but I kind of forgot about it. But we are barely still back to it. Let us go back to it. Let us go back to it. Someone's like, how do you? My Telegram. My Telegram. Okay, let me text it here. But my Telegram is in my description. So just go to my description. There is a link to my Telegram and send me a message. I'll be able to reply to you. Just after here. Yes, just go to my Telegram channel and see. And I mean, just go to my description. You're going to find it. Okay. Hi, Miss. Hi, how are you? Lovely to have you here today. Lovely to have you here today. Hope you're good. Hope everything is moving on well. Guys, it's a weekend. It's a weekend. Where are we? Sounds like this show me your telegram. Okay, let me try. Let me put in the comment section. Sounds like my candle is very fast. Yes, I think Pocket Option is one of the platform that will give you what? Let me try to get the link for you. But I feel like there are things I cannot say. There are things that are restricted by YouTube. Yeah, there are things that are restricted by YouTube that. But let me try to copy the link here for you. Mint. Okay, I'm going to be able to put it in my. I'm going to be able to. Let me place it here. And if I copied it more than one time. There are things that YouTube restricts, like me copying my. It will not allow it, to be honest. It will not allow it, but I'm sorry about that. But just go to my description, it's easy to find. Like I wanted to place it down for you, but I cannot. YouTube does not allow it. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. But just go to my description, you'll find a link. There are many things that YouTube kinda restricts. Now, like I cannot pin my tele, but I can just let me see. Okay, let us move. Let us move. Let me try to see the comments here. Okay, hi Rusuf, how are you? Thank you so much. How fast let me see. Your candle is very fast. Oh my, you can't set that. You just have to set it. For these things are just settings. That is all. Are just settings. So you just set it to 5 seconds. You can, but if at all you're a beginner, I would advise you to use a longer time frame. Yep. Okay. Let me see here a little bit, guys. I'm going to be able to reply to you. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Someone's like, how UTC is +3. It's +4. It is +4. Someone's asking, yeah, it is +4. Oh no. It is +4. Just asking about that UTC. It is +4, please. Okay. So how to live you? I don't understand what you mean. How to live you? Like I don't understand. Can you please try to kinda simplify it for me? Someone's like, how to live your YouTube? I don't know how to reply to that. Please, can you try to kind of break it down for me and understand what you mean? I fail to understand it. So yeah, that is the problem. Okay, let us move, guys. Okay, hi Ziz, hi Bogdan, how are you? Thank you so much for joining in. Lovely to have each and every one of you here. So let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Okay, we're at 800 now. We are at 800. We are at 800. So let us move. Okay. So we have some 20 minutes to go. I just hope within these minutes we'll be able to hit our time frame.
Concrete dreams, we rise through the night. Street lights glow and we fight for the light. Every scar, every tear in sight made us kings in the city tonight.
Okay. Let us go. Let us go. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. All right, all right. Let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And those who are new to the channel, can you please subscribe to the channel? It kind of gives me motivation to be back each and every day. Each and every day that I'm here to be able to come watch you guys. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. And it's very lovely to have each and everyone here with me. Those who have been sitting around since the beginning. Thank you so much. So someone is like, I will like to follow you every time you want to trade. I would like to follow every time you want to trade. But I don't know how we can do about that. Because I think I've heard a lot of things like that. I think I've had a lot of that, but then I don't know how to do. I don't know how to do. Someone like I think 1 second is better than 1 minute. You think so? Unfortunately for me, I feel like if at all I'm having a longer time frame, I mean a longer expiration time, I feel like I stand a lot of chance to win. But I feel like we can reduce it. I can reduce it maybe to 30 seconds. Yeah, I feel like whenever I'm having a longer time frame, my chances to win are very good, are very high. Okay. Someone is like, with AI trades and destroy. I don't know. I don't have a view about that because still the AI has been introduced, the bot has been introduced, but then we're still trading as like manually. So I don't know. I don't have an opinion when it comes to AI trading. To be honest, I don't have so much opinion there. Really, not really. Okay, guys, we are going good. We are doing great. For now, we are doing great. All right. Let us move. Let us move. Okay, someone's like my Bollinger Bands settings. All right, this is okay. Here they are. I mean, let me first this is right. Here they are. Okay. Hi, guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Hi, Amit. Hi, Nazira. Hi, Ahmad. Hi, Lighting. Hi, Abdul. How are you? Lovely to have you here today. Lovely to have each and everyone here today.
Yeah. Concrete jungle, street lights flicker. Every corner got a story. Every shadow's a whisper. You learn fast. You move slow in the city that never sleeps. This is how we grow. Yeah. Born on the street lamps, mama praying at night. Daddy disappeared, life taught me to fight. Blocks full of hustle, siren slice the light. Every wrong turn taught me wrong from right. Cash flow
Okay,
constant, dreams high as the
let
sky.
us move. Hi, Cine
All eyes
Snippet.
on
Hi,
me.
how are you? Love to have
Homie,
you
I'm hungry
here.
for daytime.
Lovely
Turn
to have
brief into
everyone
bars.
of
Now
you.
my words
Hi,
prime.
Emily.
Born
Hi,
amongst
Hamid.
dreams, but I wrote my own gospel. Cold nights, hot streets,
Hi,
dreams
thank you
over.
so much for
City
joining
lights turn
in.
cold.
Hi,
Life's a
Paul. Hi,
constant tussle.
Noor.
Concrete
Lovely to
made a
have
king,
you here.
flexing muscle to
Lovely
muscle.
to have each and every day. Someone is like, I can try the same time as me. If you told how you want to do it, I've tried finding ways. I've had a lot of people telling me maybe we can trade on Discord. Maybe we can trade on this. But guys, I cannot do one thing that has prohibited me.
Now I move through avenues, echo
One thing that has prohibited me from
old hustles cash
joining
flow.
other platforms is time. I feel like I cannot trade
It
here
lasts every
two
choice I
hours,
make.
then another way, 2 hours, then another way,
Moving
2 hours.
fast, late
Like
night,
it's
cold mornings.
exhausting.
I'm in my
But
chest, holding
we're
all the
trying
stress.
to find
Waiting on the
how
test.
ways on
Daily
how to
slow,
work on it.
see express from
Maybe
the gutter
a
to the
friend
booth.
who could maybe
I'm
I
in
have some friends
process,
who are
money
very good.
follows plot
Maybe I
plus.
could suggest it
Understand the
to them,
process,
maybe to
time too
try trade
long.
on other
Worth
platforms
my
with you
ransom.
and see
Breaking
how it
myself,
works
pain
out.
made my anthem. Concrete
Yeah.
dreams alive, no fear to range
Sounds
them.
like I can trade at the same time as you, please. We cannot trade at the same time. Like I said, guys, before I used to encourage people to trade at the same time with me, but I realize it's too late unless we're having like a very build up and I can really see the build up, maybe the build up for downtrend, the build up for an uptrend, something like that. That's when I can maybe give in a signal. Like since there is a build up, the market is likely to go up. Since it's a build up, the market is likely to go down. And there we can maybe share signals. That is how that's the only way how we can trade together. Yeah, I've tried to cook and try to see how it works, but all has failed. All has failed. Okay, let us move, guys. We are moving, guys. Don't forget subscribe to the channel. Yep, it gives me motivation, keeps me going. We are at 8K, 2K to go. 2K to go, 2K to go. So let me see how it goes. No, why did I do this? But anyway, it's okay. 2K to go. Guys, can you tell me about your experience with pocket options? Okay, I need to have a lot of actually a lot of hope in that trade. Those who are using options, can you tell me how you found it? How is it moving for you? Yeah, can you tell me about options? Those who are using the same, because I feel like I've not have a lot of comments where people are like, options is too risky, option is this, option. How have you found it? Mm, okay, well, someone's like, how can we use? I don't know how to do that. To be honest, I don't know how we can do that. I don't know how we can do it. Someone's like, I don't know because I've tried. To be honest, I have tried. I've tried to do it myself, but I failed. I failed. I failed. Okay, let us move. Let us move. Let us move. Someone's asking where I'm from. I'm East African. Yep, I'm East African. I'm mixed East African. Either way, it's the same thing. Okay, where can I find your strategy? My strategy is easy. If there are two strategies I can recommend. Can you try to read about or find do more research about support and resistance because there are better teachers out there. Yes, you can try to do support and resistance. Yeah, try to research about it. I do recommend it for you. And people about, but I think well, I would recommend price action, but I feel like everything falls within price action. But why not? Yeah, let's try about the support and resistance. Let's see, but that would be better if I told you a lot of analysis and a longer time frame. That is where it is better. Okay. Hi, Zo. Okay. Hi, AK. How are you? Sounds like following your trade. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi, Sheila, Mike. So lovely, lovely to have you here. Did I read your name well? It is Sihil. Sihil. Sometimes I had read Sheila. Guys, I'm not good with names. Actually, I'm not good with names. Also, just because we come from different kind of environments, like societies. I happen to pronounce every person I meet whenever they're from somewhere, I happen to pronounce their names so wrong most of the times. That's why I'm very careful when it comes to names. I know people don't like it. Like myself, I don't like it. Hi, Cristiano. Hi, Emmanuel. What don't you get? Please feel free to ask, what don't you get? Someone's like, I don't get this. What is it that you don't get? Feel free to ask. I might be able to help or someone from the comment section also to help. So please do tell, do tell. What don't you get? Okay, let us move. All right. My strategy, someone's like I said, for me right now. Okay, one thing I can tell you, maybe like here, you can look at these points, the V shaped. So this is where we have our support level and our resistance level. So let me simplify it for you. When it is high, you sell. Low, you buy. That is it. The support level, when you reach at the support level, we maybe have been having a support level at that point, you sell because it's likely to come back down. So you sell. At that point, they will have a lot of, we sell, we have a lot of buyers, and the market is going to drop. So you sell. And at the resistance level, you buy. So I think here it's a bit clear. We have like two resistance levels, and like three support levels. So it is more visible here. So this would work for me better if I thought I was using a longer time frame, or if I was trading on a very, very shorter expiration time. But I cannot follow it because I follow a very short expiration time. So by the time my trade expires, the market would have taken another turn already. So that's why I can't. But basically that is it. So if I thought I had a longer time frame, these would be very, very good points for me. Okay, so someone's like, when are you going to be live next? I'm going to be live next tomorrow, just 1 hour and 53 minutes earlier from this time you're watching me from, because now our live is soon ending. We have less than 10 minutes to go. Yes, less than that. Okay, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, Smilindo. Hi, how are you? Lovely to have you here. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. Lovely, lovely to have. Guys, I feel like if at all, instead of complaining, how about oh, you just ask. Okay. Oh no. We're back at 7K. We don't even have time. Anyway, it's alright. Let's see how this one goes. I did actually place this trade. Let me see. Okay. Let us move. Let us move. Alright, actually. That is good. Guys, unfortunately, this is my last trade for today. I'm going to stop here. I am going to stop here. We are almost done, so let's see how it goes. Mm-mm-mm. All right, that is good. That is good. That is good. Let us move, guys. This one here, please and please. Okay, guys, I think I failed to reach the 10K like I wanted because our time is done. But what should we do? Nothing to do about it. Yeah, someone's like 70%. Yes. I've tried. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching tonight. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Those who have been here with me, stuck with me for the first time. Those who are here with me for the first time, thank you so much for sticking around. And I do hope you subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you for the longest time. Yes, I hope to see you for the longest time. Unfortunately, I have to go. Our time is done. Someone is asking, is this Forex? No, this is options. Yeah, this is options. And the platform I'm using is Pocket Options. So for today, we've been doing gold and we've been doing, I think we've not done so bad. We've done good. Yeah, we've done good. So guys, I hope to see you again tomorrow, same time, same time. Okay. Someone's like, this is binary options true. And this is binary options. And I'm using a platform called Pocket Option. The broker is Pocket Option, but the trade is binary options. Yeah. Someone is asking, so you're not using the moving average and super trend? I'm just exploring. Like I said, it is big out there. So I'm just seeing which one suits me better, which one suits me best. That's why today I tried to use that one. Okay, guys, I hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a nice day. Have a good night. See you again. See you again tomorrow. Those who are having a good day, have a good day. Those who are going out tonight, have a good weekend. Have a fun weekend. And those who are going to relax, also have a good time. I hope to see you again. So, bye bye. See you next time.